used to think the world of you.
Hello, so today I am at Rivington Pike and I'm trying out Paramo's coat. It's raining tomorrow, so we're going to be testing it today and tomorrow, and then trying out Nikwax to reseal it and make it waterproof again. I don't know if any of you use Nikwax, but it's the most important thing for a hiker to reseal all your waterproof clothing. So I'm excited.
But somewhere down the line, we changed and we grew and we fell out of touch as time goes by. Still I'm holding on to. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say
It's really foggy.
I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore, like I used to do before.
Morning, I'm currently with Alan Meppelman all over again, hike 2. We're going to be doing the knot. That's what we're heading to first, get the highest peak out. Nearly at the knot, and I'm getting to test out my brand new coat gifted to me by Paramo. Really thank them. I cannot wait to use Nikwax to get a test out properly and keep it waterproof. Yeah, it's doing an amazing job so far. The conditions are getting a little bit worse for wear at the moment.
We used to be inseparable. I used to stand by you. Now I'm only holding on to a bittersweet memory of you. Oh, I wish it was true.
So glad my Paramo coat is keeping me dry. It isn't the warmest, so next time I'd probably wear a thicker fleece, but it's keeping the rain out and that's what matters.
It's time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore, like I used to do before.
Paramo has sorted me out. I'm dry. I actually am dry. It's not the warmest, so yeah, fleece will be needed. But yeah, really impressed, and I can't wait to keep using it in winter with a warmer fleece. You're all aware I've been wearing this Paramo coat now for the last couple of weeks. It was gifted to me kindly in order to test it out. It's now time to wash it. So first off, in order to wash my coat, I've made sure every zip feasible on this coat, and there's loads of storage in this coat. I can't rate this coat enough. But I've zipped up all the zips possible, and it's going to go in the washing machine. I'm going to put the washing machine on a 60-degree cycle just to make sure it's super clean, because we don't want any previous detergent to damage the coat. Two products I'm going to be using are both by Nikwax, which is going to be their Tech Wash and their TX Direct. The Tech Wash is designed to clean the coat, and the TX Direct is designed to re-waterproof it. So the washing machine is now clean. I'm going to put this on a 30-degree cycle with Tech Wash. The washing cycle's just finished, so we're going to put TX Direct in the washing machine now. It's finished. You just need to take the coat out and hang it on the maiden, and that is it.